In this video, I explain benefits of intermittent fasting. Watch this full video. Intermittent fasting, is an eating pattern that alternates between periods of fasting and eating. It has gained popularity for its potential health benefits, which are supported by scientific research. Here are the key benefits of intermittent fasting. 1. Weight loss and fat loss. 1. Caloric restriction. It can help reduce overall calorie intake by limiting the eating window, leading to weight loss. 2. Fat burning. During fasting periods, the body uses stored fat for energy, promoting fat loss. 2. Improved metabolic health. 1. Insulin sensitivity. It can enhance insulin sensitivity, which helps in better blood sugar regulation and may reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. 2. Lower blood sugar levels. Fasting periods help lower blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for individuals with insulin resistance or diabetes. 3. Enhanced brain function. 1. Neuroprotection. It may protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. 2. Brain health. Fasting increases the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which supports brain health and cognitive function. 4. Cellular repair and longevity. 1. Autophagy. Fasting triggers autophagy, a process where cells remove damaged components and recycle them, promoting cellular repair and potentially extending lifespan. 2. Anti-aging. It has been linked to increased longevity in animal studies and may have similar effects in humans by reducing factors that contribute to aging. 5. Reduced inflammation. 1. Anti-inflammatory effects. It can reduce markers of inflammation, which are linked to many chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative conditions. 6. Improved heart health. 1. Cholesterol levels. It can improve heart health by reducing levels of LDL cholesterol, triglycerides, and overall cholesterol. 2. Blood pressure. Fasting periods can help lower blood pressure, contributing to cardiovascular health. 7. Improved gut health. 1. Gut microbiome. It can positively impact the gut microbiome, enhancing digestion and overall gut health. 8. Simplified eating routine. 1. Meal planning. It can simplify meal planning and preparation by reducing the number of meals you need to prepare and eat each day. Popular intermittent fasting methods. 1. 68 method. Fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. 1. For example, eating from noon to 8 p.m. and fasting from 8 p.m. to noon the next day. 2. 5-2 diet. Eat normally for 5 days of the week and consume only 500-600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. 3. Eat, stop, eat. Fast for 24 hours once or twice a week. 4. Alternate day fasting. Alternate between days of normal eating and days of fasting or consuming very few calories. 5. Warrior diet. Eat small amounts of raw fruits and vegetables during the day and 1 large meal at night, typically within a 4-hour window. Tips for successful intermittent fasting. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water during fasting periods to stay hydrated. 2. Healthy eating. Focus on nutrient-dense foods during eating windows to ensure you get the necessary vitamins and minerals. 3. Gradual start. If you're new to fasting, start with shorter fasting periods and gradually increase the duration. 4. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds and adjust your fasting schedule as needed. 5. Consult a professional. If you have any underlying health conditions, consult a healthcare provider before starting an IF regimen. Conclusion: intermittent fasting offers a range of health benefits, including weight loss, improved metabolic health, enhanced brain function, and reduced inflammation. By choosing an IF method that suits your lifestyle and needs, you can incorporate this eating pattern into your routine and potentially improve your overall health and well-being.